How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith. I'm here trying to program for Buick Verano 2013. The push start is here. Some of them the push start here and it's a little bit different, but this one it's right here. First, remove the cup holder. As you see, this plastic, all plastic, actually comes off. And open the key, put it face up. First I forced ignition on, and then let's extract the pin code. I believe it's in the ECU. Let's see. Okay, 0164, this is our pin code. Keep programming. Okay, it's deleted. Here's the key to the slot. Press continue. This is okay, let's check it. I want to say we're done. First, that's the remote. And okay, I want to say it's done. Why it doesn't start? Okay, it's basically done. I'll check with the customer why it doesn't start. But I know, because you see the ignition is off. I press and it's back on, so you recognize transponder. Press brake to start the engine. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you very much. Again, Sam, Expert Locksmith.